Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and a review of the new IPL device from MyChway. This is a handheld self-cooling IPL. It's the HR544. The product name is IPL Cooling Hair Removal Device. And I have not done a review or a product demonstration on an IPL in a few years, so I'm really excited to try it. So let's open this up and see what it looks like. So it comes in a really nice case. Purple's my favorite color. I don't know if they do that on purpose, but it always works out that way. So it's like a faux leather case that it comes in, really nice. And it's all lined with like a velvet lining. It looks like it comes with a user manual and a quick start guide on both sides of the card. And then this is what it looks like on the inside. See, with the accessories. So this is the first accessory. And it looks like, oh, it has glasses to protect your eyes from the laser. So it has the laser glasses that fold up. Then it comes with a razor. So whenever you use an IPL or any kind of hair removal laser, you should always shave the area and make sure that the hair is extremely short. In the past, I kind of tested to see what it would feel like if I didn't shave the hair, and it kind of sparks and it's a little bit painful. So make sure that whatever area that you're going to be doing, your arms, your legs, your bikini area, or even your face, that you knock the hair down. So they give you a razor, which would be handy. And then it comes with the power cord. Oh, then it comes with a bag to actually put the handheld. It's like a satin bag to put your handheld device in. So this is kind of like a pearl white color, and there it has the purple buttons here, and then the actual IPL right here. Let's go through the manual and see what it says to do. So of course it shows you to shave first before you even try to use it. Then this is not a cordless device. You have to keep it corded. And most of the IPLs that I've only used one other IPL, and it was a few years ago, you had to keep the cord connected. It wasn't cordless. So you would wear your goggles the next step and then turn the device on. Then you always want to test an area on your arm or the inside of your leg to make sure that you can tolerate the IPL. You always want to start out on a low level. I tell everybody in all of my videos, never start out at the max level. You always want to start out at a low level and work your way up. You select the mode and then you just use the device. So I like that this shows you exactly where you can use it. So today I'm going to be using it on my legs and my toes and my underarms. So those are the spots I'm going to be using it today. So this is a really nice envelope that the user manual comes in. So it's really a nice user manual. It goes through all the contraindications, all the warnings and precautions that you would want to take. So this is an actual IPL cooling device. So you don't have to use an ultrasound gel with this. IPL targets pigment. It targets the dark pigment in the hair follicle. If you have darker skin, it is not advised that you use an IPL. So here is the chart, the skin chart for the IPL on whether whether you're a good candidate to use the IPL or not. When using an IPL, because the intense pulse light targets the pigment in the hair follicle, it will only work on pigmented hair. So if you have gray hair or extremely blonde hair, if it doesn't have any color in it, the IPL, chances are the IPL will not work on those areas. It will only work on hair that is pigmented. This IPL is brand new on the market. It just came out a few weeks ago. This is, it looks like a mirror, but this is also an LED light screen. So it just has the standard plug-in. Oh, hello. So the intended usage for this IPL, 3 times a week for 1 to 2 weeks, then twice a week for 3 to 5 weeks, and then after that, just once a month. Okay, a long press turns it on, and there it automatically defaults to level 1. And you can see a little snowflake there for the cooling. So it's on level 1. Press it again and it advances to level 2. Short press for 3, 4, 5, 6, and then back down. So it has 6 levels. It has the 3 dots here that corresponds with this here. So this would be like the trigger. Let's just try it on my inner arm and see. Interesting. Let me put my goggles on. It's really bright. It is cool. This is very cool. I had it all the way up on level 6 and it did not leave a mark. And see how the 3 dots are blinking? So that tells me that I need to press the button. See how it's blinking? I need to press the button. That's the single flash option. Now let's do the multi-flash option. You want to wear your goggles with this because it's very bright. I would hold this button down for 2 seconds, 1001, 1002, and see how that came up for continuous. Now I'm going to do and it's not going to flash because it doesn't recognize that it's up against my skin. So this is what you would use for your legs, for larger areas. It's really nice and cool. It does keep the skin cool. When it's continuing, if you have it on the continuous mode, if it's not up against your skin, it won't go off. See how it's going off every time I move it? I like that. I like that a lot. The top of it has an LED light screen and it's telling me how many flashes that it's going to use. So it's actually counting down the flashes. Then when you power it off, you just hold this for 2 seconds. 1001, 1002. And it's going to count down the seconds to cool itself down before it shuts off. This is really a smart little device. So I'm going to do my underarms first. My glasses on. You really want to wear your glasses when using this. Power on, 1001, 1002. Powered it on. Power again, and it levels it up. I'm going to keep it on a level 2 because, like I said, I've never used this device before, and I used it on my arm and it was fine. But I want to make sure that I don't hurt myself. I always suggest everyone start out a low level. So you can see that the little snowflake is there. So I'm going to leave it on the single mode for right now because I want to be able to control the flash. So I'm just going to do my underarms. And again, I did shave before I decided to use it. You always want to shave before. Okay, do the other side. I can feel a little bit of heat, but not bad. Okay, there's my other arm. No redness at all. So what I like about this already is that the glass doesn't get hot. It has a cooling effect so that it doesn't burn you. I know that my mom used a IPL on her face, and the glass actually burned her upper lip and left a scar. So it's really important that you pick a good device, and this is really nice because, like I said, this is very cool. So it's getting cooler the longer that I'm not using it. So you can see it's at a 58. So this is really cool. And there again, it's counting down how many flashes that have been used. So now I'm going to put my shorts on and do my legs. So my takeaway on this is I really like it. I like it a lot. I like it that the screen is cool. It's cold when the IPL goes off on your skin. So the glass doesn't burn your skin. I know that a lot of people, if they're not careful, that the glass can actually burn the skin. Well, this isn't going to do that because I was able to get it down to, let's see, it comes down even further. Yeah, it's down to a 50.3. So I love that. I like that a lot. I like that it has the different levels. It goes up to a level 6. I love that it has this LED screen and that it counts itself down before it shuts itself off. I also like that it has a mirror on the top. So if you're not in a location where you have a mirror and you're using it, you can actually use the mirror to shave your face if you're going to be doing the IPL on your face. I like that a lot too. I like that it has the continuous mode and it shows you on the screen that it's the continuous mode is on. I like that a lot. I like that it's just a 2-second press and it changes modes. I love the design of it. I love the color. It's a pearl white and it has the purple here. It's faux leather and it has the velvet on the inside. They're really getting a lot better with their manuals. They're actually giving you a user manual that tells you exactly how to use it. And because this is an at-home device, you want to make sure that you read the manual and that you're following all the directions precisely. If you have a lot of dark pigment in your skin, follow the user guide before you would use a device like this because it does target dark pigment. So that's really important. It's also really important to follow the contraindications that are the warnings on who should use this device and who should not. So this is definitely one that I'm going to be following up on. I did my underarms today and I did my legs today, and I will do them twice a week for the next few weeks. I will follow up with a follow-up video in a few months. And as always, everything I use in my videos will have links in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know. Like and subscribe and leave a comment down below.